Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a empty container. So here we'll be making a DIY flower pot or a container. So make the patterns over it like this, and then using a spatula we'll be cutting it like this. You can use any knife for it to cut it. Now draw the patterns as shown in the video. First draw the lines for a neat and clean work. Now on the sides we'll be cutting it like this. Now on the top make a hole and fix it like this and cover it. Now put a flower over it and your flower pot is ready. Next, we'll be taking a white empty container. Draw the lines over it, and in the same manner, we'll be drawing the lines and then cut it with the help of this thin sharp knife or a blade. So after cutting it, remove the part from it. Make the flowers on the top of it like this and fix it. Make the holes on the downside and fill it with the mud, and it's done. Next, we'll be making beautiful flowers. So take a pink color container and make the lines like this over it and cut it with the help of a thin sharp knife. Now we'll be making the holes and fix a thread on it. Now make some flowers like this and fix it. And it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a pink color container and draw the lines like this, and then we'll be taking a thin sharp knife to cut it from the lines drawn over it. Now after cutting it, we'll be cutting it from the sides like this to make a fountain like shape. Now make the frills with the another piece of it and then fix it on the top. Make the holes on the downside and it's done. Next, take a white color container, cut it like this and draw the lines over it like this with the black marker. Now after that, we'll be cutting it with the thin sharp knife as shown in the video. Now draw the lines over it and cut it carefully as we are cutting here. Make the dots on the top and on the bottom section. Now fix them like this into each other by making a hole, and then we'll be closing the cap. Now decorate it and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the yellow containers like this. Draw the lines first. Now after that we'll be cutting it. Now after cutting it, remove the pieces from the between as well and make a beautiful shape. Now make a flower and cut it out. Now fix it using the straw like this. Take a straw and roll it to make the between part of the flower. Now after that, put them together and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the yellow color container, draw the lines over it and draw the wavy lines as well. Now after that, we'll be cutting it with the help of a thin sharp knife. Now after that, we'll be cutting the lines very carefully. Make the holes in the between like this. You can make the holes with anything. Just heat it and then make the holes like this. And it's done. Next, take a white container and draw the lines. Cut it from the between and remove the extra part like this. Now after removing it, we'll be making the flowers over it and then we'll be cutting it out. Now take a straw and then make the frill using it and then fix it in the between of the flowers. Now after that, we'll be fixing the flowers and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.